Hey guys, Nicole here, checking in from Washington, this time with a different van. I have my 1976 Chevy Beauville here. She's been sitting for a little while, so she's got a nice layer of pollen and dirt caked on her. We have two other vans, so she kind of got put on the back burner and sat for a little while. Since the weather's getting nicer, I thought this would be a good opportunity to pressure wash it, and what better for you guys to watch all the gunk fly off it, and I know it's satisfying to me. I'll get up close and personal and show you all this stuff that's on here. We'll go through it and watch this thing turn into a shiny little gem. Okay, so surprise, surprise, the Pacific Northwest has had a good year of rain this year. Honestly, a little bit more than usual. So it's been rain and then pollen and then more rain. So there is some nice caked on pollen and dirt. I am ready to get this thing clean. She's been sitting for a little while. So she needs a bath for sure. Matt will be up here in the next few days, and we have some surprises going on with this van. Until then, you guys will have to wait, but it's time to get this thing clean. What do you guys say? Okay guys, so I'm sure there's like a proper way to pressure wash a vehicle, top to bottom or bottom to top or whatever. I just like to get all the crap off. The first thing I personally like to do when I get a vehicle is pressure wash it, gets all the crap off that's like gonna sit in there and create rust over time, and then anything you may have missed, you know, like any little tiny rust spots or whatever, so you really know what you're working with. Plus, like when you first bring something home, you're like stoked and you want to get the whole thing super clean. Anyways, and it's just satisfying, so I'll get back to it. All right, let's take a look at this guy now that he's clean. So much better. Look at those shiny windows. It's not perfect because it's an old van, but man, all that pollen that was crusted on there, that looks so much better. Much better. What a happy van, yay. Look at that guy. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today again in Washington. It was a beautiful day to get stuff done, especially for pressure washing. It's a much happier van now. Stay tuned for next week. Matt will be here in Washington in town, and we have some exciting news coming for this van. Probably some content with all three vans here, but this one in particular. In the meantime, let us know in the comments if this van is something that you would be interested in as a project van, or just if this is something you would drive in general. We want to know. And we appreciate everybody liking, sharing, and subscribing, so please continue to keep doing that. All the support is very much appreciated, and thank you again for hanging out with me. We'll see you guys soon.